Alright fellas, 2020 KTM Duke 790. We're doing an oil change. So you've got two oil screens right here, and this is the oil filter cap. Inside, you've got this is your oil filter. It's going to be located like that, with this flat face facing inwards. These two are 13s, and this is a T27. I will be using Rotella T6 1540. I will not be replacing these screens, as the kit that I ordered didn't come with these screens. Looks clean, the O-ring looks fine, doesn't look like there's any sort of debris on it at all. So we're going to go ahead and slide that one back in. I'm going to take this one out. Oh, okay, thanks. No shavings on this one either. This one's also clean. I'm going to let that finish draining for what it can. Now this is a Torx T27. Alright, those come out just fine. Let's see if I'll get this off. Needle nose. Alright, that comes out just fine. Oh, well, okay. So we're going to be putting an OEM KTM filter back in there. This part number matches, let's see, this part number matches the part number we just pulled out. And it kind of pops in. Taking the oil cap out. Oil capacity on this bike is 3 liters or 2.8 quarts. Yeah, I know it's jank. I lost my funnel, so I cut up a water bottle. What are you gonna do, huh? Alright gamers, that's it. We're gonna put the cap back on. And I need to clean up my mess. That's a KTM 790 oil change. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, be safe.